Fight and hot tent stove. Multifunctional camping stove that only needs one hand to carry. All accessories can be placed in the furnace. Portable and reliable. Install the high temperature resistant glass. Open the stainless steel bracket. Install the stove cover. Open the folding tripod. Flip the stainless steel shelf into the correct position. Install the chimneys. You are suggested to install the chimney with damper in a convenient location. One by one. The last chimney comes with spark arrestor design, which is safer and prevent raindrops from entering. Look, our tent stove has been installed. Now, we are ready to use. First open the damper. Then start the ignition with the igniter. Open the stove top and start boiling water in the wild. Don't forget to enjoy coffee, even when camping. Cooking is not a problem at all. Enjoy your relaxing camping time now. Keep the stove door closed for a warm and safe night.